Guys, this is for all my Canadians. Today is snowing. Just the other day, the sun was shining. When I tell you bipolar, Canada, Toronto preferably, greater GTA to be exact, is bipolar. It's not up for discussion. Hold on, let me show you. What in the hell is that? Do you see how the snow's on the grass and there's hardly any on the concrete where the interlock is? Guys, I'm not making this up. I'm not making this up. So because this weather is doing the most, let me go ahead and take my cough syrup slash flu medicine that I made by myself. Just 1 teaspoon a day.